Good afternoon, friends. So I'm out in the garden. Basically what I'm focusing in on is harvesting some seeds. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. And pardon me because I'm one-handed. So this white salvia goes to seed. You can see the dried little heads here. Usually what I do, I just lean in and with one finger I tap. And then you get those little seeds there. So with these salvias, you can see that the flowers, once they dry out, they're almost like a little tuber. Usually if you just tap them, they kind of roll out of the little encapsulated piece. If not, you just roll it until it breaks apart. And then the seeds come out. And these are the seeds. They're almost like spotted. I ordered these little seed packets off of Amazon. I can't remember if it was like $8 or 50 or 100, but you'll see right here. It says type. I put annual/perennial because they're perennial down here in the warmer zones, more of an annual up north, which is what I wrote in the growing notes. The date that I harvested, and it's a white salvia. I don't know the official name of that, but got those. Pardon the breeze, it is really windy today. So this Verbena bonariensis, you can see some of those stalks are probably about, I say almost 6 feet tall. So what I do is I find a nice dried seed head like this. Whoops. And I just kind of tap it. I actually got most of the one out of this already. If you find that they don't loosen up, I usually pinch the bud a little bit, roll it softly without breaking it, and then try, whoops, and then try tapping again, and some of the seed will fall into the container. But I'm gonna do that. Oh, you can see some is coming out, but I'll do that with both hands. With the verbena, you get a lot more seed. They're very tiny. So as you can see, I managed to get 2 packets of the white salvia, and then I did 4 packets of the verbena. And these little guys are coming with me to Tennessee. So these are mostly going to neighbors. I'll keep 1 or 2 for myself. Also, the other thing about the verbena is that, or excuse me, not the verbena. Actually, yes, actually both. So this whole flat is verbena cuttings that I took from that same plant. They are all rooted in and growing. I will say they are a little bit water hungry, but they take very easily from cuttings. And then also here, I have the white salvia, which also takes from cuttings. These cuttings were too small, so they did not make it. And then also back here, I have a different salvia. This is Amistad, which also takes very well from cuttings. So remember to harvest seeds, share with friends, propagate, do whatever you need to do. And most importantly, enjoy your time in the garden.